Namaste everyone, welcome to today's episode. As you know, our biggest festival, Dashain, is very near. We need envelopes to put and give money. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own envelopes. First, you have to fold a paper into half, leaving 1 inch like this. Then you have to fold it properly. Then you again have to unfold it. Then glue one of the sides, leaving the upper part. And you have to glue the borders of 1/2. Then you have to stick the sides. Then you have to stick the sides. And every side should be straight. Like this. Then your envelope is done, and if you want a smaller version, you may cut it from the half, then take the medium size, and if you want to decorate it, you may put some flowers on the side. Then after the decoration is done, you have to glue this side of the border. Then stick it properly. Then your envelope is done. Like this. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you.